Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious cabbage egg omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of finely shredded cabbage, 2 large eggs, and a small onion diced. Don't forget a tablespoon of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. For an extra touch, prepare a 1/4 cup of finely chopped bell pepper and a teaspoon of soy sauce. These simple items will create a fantastic meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook it gently until it turns translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the finely shredded cabbage and the chopped bell pepper. Sauté these vegetables for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp but still retain a slight bite. This step builds the flavor foundation. With our cabbage perfectly sautéed, it's time to bring in the eggs. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs thoroughly with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the cooked cabbage in the pan. Gently spread the cabbage so it's well distributed within the egg. Cook on medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center is mostly firm. This ensures a perfectly cooked omelet. Almost there. Once the bottom is golden and the top is mostly set, carefully flip the omelet. Cook the other side for another 2 minutes, ensuring it's also golden brown and cooked completely through. This creates a beautiful, evenly cooked omelet. Once done, gently slide your delicious cabbage egg omelet onto a serving plate. You can garnish it with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions for an extra burst of flavor and color. Enjoy your homemade, savory meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.